Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, June 14th. I'm James Spann. Rather unsettled weather for the state today with scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. By the time the weekend gets here, the air should be much, much drier. Check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view early this morning. Little upper trough, little pocket of colder air aloft moving in here from the west. And with a moist, unstable air mass, we have some pre-dawn thunder. That was the radar at 5:06 this morning. Big storms coming through parts of the Birmingham metro with heavy rain, nothing severe. And as we often say, anytime you've got rain on radar at 5 o'clock in the morning, that's a pretty good sign. You'll have more showers and storms around later in the day. It is a very humid, muggy morning. Temperatures are in the 70s to start the day. Birmingham at 73, but pretty good chance we fail to reach 90 today because of the clouds and showers. And we know yesterday Birmingham's official high was 96. Hottest day so far this year. There's the watch warning map around the nation. We note an excessive heat watch for the desert southwest. In a few days, Phoenix might make a run at 120. That's pretty tough. And a heat advisory for parts of Oklahoma, but much of the nation is quiet. Severe weather possibilities later today and tonight. There is an enhanced risk of severe weather over parts of Iowa. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk includes cities like Chicago and Indianapolis. The marginal risk extends all the way down into Tennessee, and on day 3, which is Thursday, we note that a pretty good chunk of Alabama is in a marginal severe weather risk. This is basically for the northern 3/4 of the state. And again, the main problem with these summer setups like this, potential for strong gusty winds, wet microbursts, but all summer storms on every summer day produce a tremendous amount of cloud-to-ground lightning. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning, about 1 inch for much of the state. But again, by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, the air should be much, much drier. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. A little bend in the ridge there, a little weakness coming through. And again, little subtle features like this can make a big difference, and we're expecting scattered to numerous showers and storms. Still, can't promise rain for everybody, but a pretty decent part of the state should see at least a passing shower or storm today. And we note both the NAM and the GFS are showing a high of 89. Look at the precipitable water values, very high values, especially over in Mississippi around the Delta. In excess of 2 inches, and a pretty good chunk of Alabama with precipitable water values in excess of 2 inches. So any storms that fire today could easily produce some very heavy amounts of rain. Tomorrow, pretty much the same thing. Scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms. The high will be around 90. Thursday, the showers begin to thin out and the heat levels come up. We could see mid, maybe upper 90s in spots. But what that will do is make the air unstable. And with a cold front, a surface boundary approaching, again, some of those storms could pack a punch on Thursday. But again, it's not going to rain everywhere. Friday, the weather begins to trend drier. There certainly could be a few short showers and storms about, but they'll be fairly widely scattered. Partly sunny, and again, a hot day will be well up in the 90s. But on Saturday, an air mass change. Don't see too many of those in summer. And if this verifies, it will be a much nicer day. The high will drop back into the 80s. The humidity will be lower, and the sky will be sunny, and we will have no showers. And the same thing on Sunday. Sunny and pleasant with highs in the 80s. Look at the precipitable water, much different. As you can see, those shades of blue and brown creeping in from the north. So at this point, the weekend looks pretty good. Then Monday, evidence that moisture might try and wrap back in here, but I just have some doubt in that solution. I think for Monday, we'll mention a slight chance of a shower, nothing beyond that. And this is Tuesday. We have a really nasty 6,000-meter upper high over Arizona. This is a day where Phoenix might make a run at 120. I mean, that is nasty heat. But for the east, a nice trough, and we are thankful that 6,000-meter heat bubble is not on top of us. And again, if this is right, Tuesday would be dry, mostly sunny with a high at or just over 90. This is the end of the forecast period, Thursday of next week, June 23rd. 594 heat ridge just west of here. The westerlies on top of that. And again, if this is right, would be a hot, muggy day, just a small chance of a shower. Check the numbers off the GEFS. I think this has a better grasp on the situation. You can see potential maybe for upper 90s in here Thursday and Friday, but highs for the weekend dropping back into the upper 80s. And nights will be cooler with lows getting down in the 60s. Maybe some 50s for the cooler pockets early Sunday, but then the 90s come back toward the end of next week, and we all know they will in summertime. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.